Most people will never get rich, not because they don't work hard, but because they think the wrong way. Right now, there are two types of people. One group stays stuck living paycheck to paycheck, always behind on bills. The other group builds wealth, makes money work for them, and never worries about the next paycheck. What's the difference? It's not their job, it's not luck, it's their mindset. Today I'm breaking down the exact shifts you need to make if you want to go from struggling to wealthy. And trust me, once you learn these, you'll never look at money the same way again. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because at Mindset Money I teach you how to build wealth the right way. Let's start with the biggest mistake poor and middle-class people make. They think like consumers, not investors. They chase status, not assets. They work hard to buy expensive cars, designer clothes, and the newest iPhone, things that lose value the second they buy them. Let me give you an example. A guy making $50,000 a year decides to finance a $60,000 luxury car because he deserves it. His payment? $1,000 a month. Add insurance, gas, and maintenance, and he's spending 30% of his income on a liability. Now compare that to how wealthy people think. Instead of financing that car, a rich person would buy a rental property that pays them $1,000 a month. Invest in dividend stocks that generate passive income. Use their money to start or buy a business that produces cash flow. And then, once those investments pay for their lifestyle, they buy the car with passive income, not their paycheck. See the difference? Poor people buy liabilities that take money out of their pocket. Rich people buy assets that put money into their pocket. Here's the truth, the rich don't work for money. They make money work for them. And it all comes down to where they put their money. Here are 3 things wealthy people invest in that poor people ignore. 1. Cash flowing assets. Anything that pays you money every month. Real estate, rental properties, Airbnbs, commercial buildings. Dividend stocks, stocks that pay you money just for holding them. Businesses, they either start one or invest in one. 2. Hard assets that hold value. Things that protect your wealth from inflation. Gold and silver. While the dollar loses value, gold has held its worth for 5,000 years. Rare collectibles, art, watches, and even vintage cars appreciate over time. 3. Financial education and high-income skills. Rich people don't just wing it, they pay for knowledge. Books, courses, mentorships. They learn how to invest, negotiate, and build businesses. A wealthy person would rather spend $1,000 learning a skill that makes them money for life than waste it on things that disappear in a few months. And here's the scary part. The system is designed to keep you from learning this. Schools don't teach you how money works. They teach you how to get a job, take on debt, and work until you die. So, how do you break free? Here's what you need to do right now. Step 1. Stop wasting money on liabilities. Before you buy something, ask, will this make me money, or will it take money away from me? If it's not an asset, delay the purchase and invest first. Step 2. Start buying cash-flowing assets. Invest in stocks that pay dividends. Buy real estate that makes money every month. Start a side hustle or business that grows over time. Step 3. Learn how money works. Read books, take courses, and follow people who teach wealth strategies, not just how to budget. If you start thinking like the wealthy today, your future will look completely different. If this video opened your eyes, don't stop here. Take action. The rich get richer because they know what to do. But now, so do you. Hit that subscribe button right now and join us at Mindset Money, because in our next video, don't just watch, do something. Your future self will thank you. Subscribe now, and I'll see you in the next one.